Sets quickly and correctly. Sets quickly and correctly. Yeah. Sets quickly and correctly. Sets quickly and correctly. Sets quickly and correctly.
What is quick and what is correct?
I don't know. Okay. We're gonna aerate some chocolate today. What does that mean? You're gonna add bubbles into chocolate. It's gonna be super fun. I don't expect you to make this at home because I need a lot of special equipment, but it's really cool to look at. So stick around and watch me add bubbles to my chocolate. Makes it super melty and it's delicious. So what you're going to need is a pound of tempered chocolate. Tempered chocolate means that it will set quickly and correctly. So 1 pound, and I'm gonna pour it into an ISI container. Fancy term for adding air into food. This is also known as a whipped cream canister. Now that the tempered chocolate is in the whipped cream canister, you're gonna close it, and then you're going to fill up a cartridge with NO2, nitrogen. So we're gonna plop it in, make sure it's the right side up, pointy up, screw it on. This is kind of fun, but also a little scary because it's really like chemistry class. Then you're going to charge it by shaking it 3 times. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Okay, so that's 1 charge. Then you take this out.
Yeah,
Okay? Then you carefully do this. Oh, it's cold. Then you take your second one and you charge it. Again, I don't expect you to make this at home. I just want to see, I want to show you how cool this is. Okay? This one wasn't as cold. And then the last charge.
All right.
Now I'm ready. But this one hits. Okay, so now I have a vacuum seal container. These are containers that you can put in a special lid and it sucks out all the air, and I lined it with acetate, which is just plastic. Okay, ready? Excuse me. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, white was not the right color to wear. Then you seal this, and then you press vacuum and seal. Ready? Some magical stuff right here. It's alive! So now that it's doubled in size, we can stop it. You pull the top off first, let it hang. So by adding the tempered chocolate into this whipped cream container, what it does is add bubbles into the tempered chocolate. And then when I transferred it into my vacuum seal container, it made those it made those bubbles even larger, so it's super creamy and melts in your mouth even faster. So now that it's been 15 minutes, the chocolate has set. I'm gonna release all that air. Big button. Okay. So cool. Now, remember that plastic? I taped it to my container. I'm gonna remove the tape. This is your friend because it's gonna help you take out the chocolate. Ta-da! It's really light because it's basically air. Rawr. So now I'm gonna show you how big the bubbles are. It's not dense. This is aerated chocolate. Kind of like a honeycomb, but chocolate version. It's so smooth and melts super quickly. I think this was a major success. If you guys have any science project or weird things you want me to hack, you let me know, comments below. Blue ribbon.